This is about as professional as you can get. Everything came in pristine condition. Everything is made of the utmost highest quality. Make sure you peel off all protective tape and foam that's around the unit. Remove this for the needle here. And for storage, you can also put it back on if you want to protect the needle underneath it. So keep this off to the side. The speaker faces are magnetic, so if you like that wood grain look, you can remove these, or you just simply pop it right back on. There is a master switch on the back here to turn it on and off, and of course you have your on and off button right here. You can switch it to Bluetooth,
vinyl,
to your vinyl. It does come with a remote as well, and you can turn that on and off with the remote and all your other settings as well.
vinyl,
Turn the volume up. Over here you adjust the speed, 45s or 33. You also have the size, 12-inch or 7. Settings over here as well. Repeat, up, down, start, stop, and all that fun stuff. So again, with this, you can adjust it. So up. You can lift it up, but make sure this is off. So make sure you pull this back when you lift it up. You can also use it manually on here. We're going to move it over. And then you can press down. It automatically goes down. Due to copyright, we can't play it on here on Amazon, but I can say off because I've been playing with it. It sounds great. It's definitely professional, highly, highly professional, and I love it. So as you can see, 45s. We can also do others as well. We're going to drop this down to 7-inch so you can adjust it based on the size. Amazing.
Each time we have a wall, it almost breaks you're in love. One day I feel so happy.
So these are some really old and rough vinyls. So there's going to be more scratchy sound with these. So that's not...